You're eating in the truck for the rest of your life. Breakfast! All right. Dinner! Oh, this is going to be great. Breakfast! Oh, come on. Get on a little further. Good girl. Good girl. You took a step. Now, come on. Come on. Just put it up there. Okay, good. Oh, man. Just get on. Okay, come on. Come on. Oh, ow, my foot. How can someone so small be so heavy? Come on, girl. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Oh, that's it. Good girl. Come on. You're so close. Come on. Come on. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Get in. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dang it. Come back here. Maybe it's just too dark for her in there. Why don't you go around and open the door and I'll go get her?
Give it a try.
All right, girl. Come on, girl. Look. Look, he's going to open the door for you. He's going to open it, see? Oh, she's in. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, around again. On the lunge. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Up. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Oh, man. All right, we're going to use the rope here. Take this. Put it under her butt. All right, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. You're almost there. Come on. Oh, my God. Stop sitting on the rope. Come on. I don't know what we're going to do. I guess we can't take her. What? Oh, God, she's in. Well, what are we going to do once we get there?